So go to the firebase.google.com. This video will discuss about the project creation in the Firebase and understanding about the how to create a project, everything. Okay. So there is a two sections is in the firebase.google.com. Then the top right corner, the go to console is there. Already I log in with my email ID. When I click on the go to console, it open the this your project. Here it list out the all the projects is created by me. Okay. And here build run modern AI powered experience user love with the Firebase. Okay. So platform design support you thought your app development journey backend by Google and trusted by million of business around the world. Okay. So now you can see if you want to build the project, what is the required things is see while building what is the required, while running the project what is the required. They're divided into two here. Okay. While building the product, what is required is see Firestore database. Okay, hosting real-time database. I told you right. The two type database is there. The real-time database and Firestore database and cloud storage, data connect, extension, cloud function, authentication. These are the using these service will build the product. Clear? Okay. Come back to the run the product. Now run the product is now we need a distribution, right? This is API call. Oh, sorry, push notification, cloud message to run the application. Cross Analytics, Google Analytics, we discussed this one, right? This is the after build the product, these services required to send a push notification, they have distribution, analytics. These are the things. Clear? Huh? Now, have the here. This is my console. Now I'm going to create a project in the Firebase. Create a project. First step here, we'll give you the project name. My project is car rental app. This is my project. Clear? Huh? So when I click on the continue and next, these are the enables, Google Analytics enables. These are the things. Continue and give the select the account type. Okay. So you can create a new account or else already I log into account, right? I can select as a default account to Firebase. Already log into the Firebase, or else you can create an account from the here also. And now create a project. While creating the project, it will take some time. It's creating. So preparing your project, please wait. Okay, we have to wait. What is the application name? Car rental application, right? So now after creating this, yeah, finishing app. Okay, yeah, done. So your Firebase project is ready. Okay, cheers. Now when I click on the continue, it's open this page. Clear? In this page, you can see the left side build, run, analytics. Okay. So here we can select, we can switch into the different projects also. We have a project, right? App demo, service app, your projects, total project. I can easily switch into the from here to there. Okay. But current is car rental application. Go to the project setting. You can see the general. These are the information. Okay. I will tell you that. Okay. See here, if you want to add you as a member under this project, I can add you. Clear? Huh? The same project says, for example, I want to add you under this project. I can go to the project overview, project setting, user and permissions. I can give the permissions. Okay. You can use the same product. You can use from your side. You can implement the project also. We can use a common project for everyone. So while adding this product, I can give the roles also. Editor, owner, and viewer, assign Firebase roles. Okay. These are the roles I can add. Okay. Now I'm creating the project for now. Later I will add you. I will add you as a. I will give the permission to access my project. You also access your project. You can see all the things based on the role. Hope is clear. Okay. And come to the build method. First we need to do the authentication. Clear? Huh? We have to do the authentication. Before going to authentication, I need to create a app in the my project. Just we are creating the project. Inside that, we need to create a app. So here, when I click on the get started, this is authentication process. Now, do you see the your application authentication is we can authenticate the email and password. These are the providers is provided by. Look, you can see if you want to authenticate to the phone number or Google, Facebook, Twitter, GitHub, Yahoo. Did you see any website when you try to log in with any website, there is option will come. If you want to sign in with the GitHub or only phone number or email and password, we have to enable the provider to our application. Okay, I want to develop the application. I want to uh, I want to sign up with the email and password. Okay, just click on here. This provider will add. Okay, I want to enable the this one and click on the save. Clear? One provided adder here, right? So email and password. I want to sign in with email and password. If you want to add new provider also, we can add. This same page will come. Clear? If you want to sign in with the phone number, we can sign in with the phone number. This is a authentication. Using the authentication, we can authenticate our application, right? Through the authentication, securely we are authentication through email and password or any provider, we can enter into the project. Clear? Now, click on the project overview again. Okay, this is a page. In this page, now we can see get started by adding Firebase to your app. Okay, we have the app, right? Let's create another app. Okay, in the app, I want to integrate the Firebase. We have to follow the few steps. This is very important. Please listen carefully. Till now, we created a project in the Firebase. Inside the Firebase, I'm going to in project overview. This when I click on the project overview, there is a right side, left side. You can see. Sorry, left side. You can see the first option, project overview. When I click on the project overview, here we display all the apps. How many apps you are linking with the Firebase? Here display. So till now we didn't add any app, right? So there is option. There is option is there, right? The previously only iOS and Android we can create separately. We created separately for iOS and Android. But now we are developing the Flutter app also. For example, anyone develop the application only native iOS and native Android, they can select the Apple. Okay, they do the process. For example, they want only Android, they can select the native Android, they can go and they can create app here. But now we are using the Flutter, right? There is option is there, right? When I click on this Flutter, they will get this option will come. Okay. If you want to web, this option will come. Okay. If you want to Unity, you will get like this. Clear? So based on the type of your app. Okay. So now I'm developing the application through the Firebase, right? I can select the Firebase. Maybe I can develop the application native iOS. I can select the native iOS, or else I can create individually. I can integrate our application, Flutter application also. Previously, the 2 years back, this came the Flutter application here. Previously, we created individually iOS and Android and web. We integrate into our application. Clear? So any way is okay. Okay. What is our goal is? I want the Firebase. I want to add this Firebase. Here, I want to add a project here. Okay. Can I click on the Flutter? You have to install the Firebase CLI. Okay. What is the Firebase CLI? And log see using the Firebase CLI, install the Firebase into your laptop. Okay. So here when I click on here, it's open the separate page. These are the options will come. Okay. If it's a Windows user, click on the Windows user. There is options is there through the npm or standalone library. Okay. Click on the npm, follow the step. Okay. Just install the npm install G Firebase tool, and here is the required node. You can see Firebase CLI required Node.js v1.8.0 or later. Okay. You have to install the npm node also in our application. You know how to install the node? Don't know, right? Wait, let me explain that. See, there is install node.js. Click on this website. This is a open the website. Now you can download the node.js. Okay, it's download the one .exe file. Double click on that, automatically install in our application. Okay, it will get the latest version of the node. The first thing is step. I will give the steps, man. Okay, what are the steps? What is our goal? Add our Firebase project. Add our Firebase project into Flutter app, right? Not okay. Okay. Add our Flutter project into Firebase, right? Now, what are the steps? First one is install the Node.js. Install the Node.js. This is a website. After install the Node.js, go to the Flutter CLI website. You can see this is a Flutter CLI. Okay, so not Flutter CLI. Sorry. The references you can see Firebase CLI. The Firebase CLI based on you are using Windows or Mac OS or Linux, based on the selection, this command will change. There is two types is there. To, our goal is install the Firebase CLI into your Windows or Mac. These are the steps. There is two ways to install, either standalone library or npm. I prefer the npm only. I click on the npm here. Now, if you to use npm node package manager to install Firebase CLI, follow the steps. There is three steps is there. Only three steps. The first step is install Node.js first. Okay, using nvm Windows Node version manager. Okay, so what is the Node version manager is? See, the Node version manager nvm is there. You can switch into the different versions also. For example, you have the Node version latest 20 or 22. For example, what is the latest version? But you can switch into the Node 18.0 or 17.0, 16.0, 20.0, 19.0. For example, we can switch the Node version using a NVM. Okay, Node version manager. Clear? Huh? We can switch into the different Node version. Okay, how can you switch into this? There is a option is that I will tell you later. First of all, you have to install the Node into your application or in your laptop. Sorry. So minimum 18.0 is required. Okay, minimum node version is 18.0. Then only we can install the Firebase CLI. Second step, after complete the installation, okay, go to the command prompt, just check that node version. Okay, node V, for example. Now I have the node version is 20.11, right? So if you get like this, that meaning is successfully you install the node, or else if you- or else it will show the some different message. Using the NVM, see NVM, there is a list. Okay, 1 second. NVM use. Okay, I think I need to install the NVM also. Okay, first is required, right? Node is installed my system. The first step is complete from my side. And what is the second step is copy this command npm install g for global. Okay, Firebase tool and copy this and second. Okay, run this command on your command prompt. Okay, clear? Huh? So let's copy and go to the terminal like this. Clear? Huh? Now, if it's installed already, or else it's override the no tools. Okay, I am install the npm install g Firebase tool. This is a second step. The first step is node. Install the node. Second step is use this command install the Firebase tool in our laptop. And third one is After installation, okay, after installation, you have to log in and test the CLI. It's working or not. Okay, it's working or not. Clear? Huh? Firebase is working or not. After install, the Firebase CLI is working or not. We need to verify. Use the Firebase login and test the CLI. How can you log in? This is a command. Clear? Huh? After install the Firebase tool, so now see install, right? So no major version npm available. This one I ignore this one. This is a notice. Okay, now what is the next one is Firebase login. When I click on this, it's navigate to the my browser. Okay, already I logged into, right? This is my email ID. Already logged into as a this email ID. Okay, let me log out. Sorry, Firebase. Sorry, Firebase log out. Okay, I log out from the my command prompt. Okay, let's log in again. Firebase. For your case is no, right? For your case is no. For your case, after install Node.js Firebase CLI and run the Firebase login. For you is a no case. When I click on the Firebase space login, when I run this command, it's directly it's navigate to our browser. Okay, see, allow Firebase to collect the CLI, emulate to usage the error reporting information. Yes, see, now it directly it's navigate to my browser. My browser is default browser. This is opened. Clear? Huh? When I click on this one, which is my email, just click on the continue. Now see, you can notice here waiting for authentication, or else you can copy this URL. You can visit into your website. Clear? Huh? Hope is clear. When I click on the Firebase login in the command prompt, it's giving the URL of the sign-in URL. Okay, along with that, it directly it's open your default browser. Which is your default browser? Chrome, Edge, or whatever it is. In my default browser, this is Mac Safari. That's why it's navigate to the my default browser. There list out all the Google accounts. From there, you can select the our Google account and click on the allow. See, I'm allowing the Firebase CLI. Firebase CLI. Now see, authentication done, right? Success. Clear? I log into the account. Clear? Huh? This is way of install the Firebase CLI and log into the Firebase. Okay. And now after this, see, well, wow, Firebase CLI successfully login. You have to get this message. Okay, this is done. What is the next one is? You can see the how many project lists. How many project list is there? 3, right? In my account. Just list down like this. Prepare in the C. These are the right. We created current lab recently. Three apps is there. Clear? Huh? This is way of install the Firebase CLI, Node.js installation instructions, and authenticate the Firebase CLI from the command prompt. Okay, this video we learned so far this one. Okay, next video we'll create a project, Flutter project. That project will add into the Firebase. Okay, the Firebase, what is the Firebase related things will add into our project. Next video I will tell that. Okay.